Today's lesson is on perimeter and area. After today, you'll be able to find the perimeter and area of a square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, triangle, trapezoid, and circle. First, we're going to find the perimeter and area of a square. Our formula for the perimeter of a square is P equals 4S, where S is equal to the side length. In our square, the side length is 5 meters. So P equals 4 times 5. And 4 times 5 is 20, so P equals 20 meters. Now for our area, our formula is A equals S squared, where S is equal to the side length. The side length again is 5 meters, so area equals 5 squared. 5 squared is equal to 25, so our area is equal to 25 square meters. Next, we're going to find the perimeter and area of a rectangle. The formula for perimeter of a rectangle is P equals 2L plus 2W, where L is equal to length and W is equal to width. Our length for our rectangle is 2 yards, and our width is 6 yards. So we're going to have P equals the quantity 2 times 2 plus the quantity 2 times 6. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 6 is 12. So the perimeter would be equal to 4 plus 12, which is 16. So our perimeter is equal to 16 yards. Now we're going to find the area of our rectangle. The formula for area of a rectangle is area equals LW. L again is equal to length, and W is equal to width. So our area is equal to length times width. Our length again is 2 yards, and our width is 6 yards. So area equals 2 times 6, and 2 times 6 is 12. So our area is 12 square yards. Next, we're going to find the perimeter and area of a parallelogram. First, for the perimeter, our formula is P equals 2A plus 2B, where A is equal to one side and B is equal to the other side. One side of our parallelogram is 2 inches and the other side is 6 inches. For this problem, we will not use the 5. The 5 would represent the height of our parallelogram. So our perimeter is going to be equal to the quantity 2 times 6 plus the quantity 2 times 2. One side was 6 inches and the other side was 2 inches. 2 times 6 is 12, and 2 times 2 is 4, so our perimeter is equal to 12 plus 4, which is 16. So our perimeter equals 16 inches. Now for our area. Our formula is area equals BH. B represents the base, and H stands for the height. Our base for this parallelogram would be 2 inches, and our height would be 5 inches. For this problem, we will not use the 6. So our area would be equal to 2 times 5, and 2 times 5 is 10, so our area is equal to 10 square inches. Next, we're going to find the perimeter and area of a rhombus. First, for the perimeter, our formula is P equals 4A, where A equals the side length. For our rhombus, the length of each side is 26 meters. So we're going to have P equals 4 times 26, and 4 times 26 is 104. So our perimeter is equal to 104 meters. Next, we will find the area of our rhombus. The formula for area of a rhombus is A equals 1/2 times the quantity D1 times D2. D1 and D2 stand for the diagonals. Our diagonals are 20 meters and 48 meters. So we're going to have area equals 1/2 times the quantity 20 times 48. 20 times 48 is 960. So our area is equal to 1/2 times 960. So our area equals 480 square meters. Next, we will find the perimeter and area of a triangle. For the perimeter of a triangle, our formula is perimeter equals A plus B plus C, where A, B, and C are the side lengths. For our triangle, one side is 10 millimeters, another side is 24 millimeters, and the third side is 26 millimeters. So our perimeter would be equal to 10 plus 24 plus 26. So our perimeter is equal to 60 millimeters. Next, we will find the area of our triangle. The formula for area of a triangle is A equals 1/2 times B times H, where B is equal to the base and H is equal to the height. So our formula is area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. Our base and our height are going to be the two that form the right angle. So we're going to have 24 and 10. So A equals 1/2 times 24 times 10. And 1/2 times 24 times 10 would be equal to 120. So our area would be equal to 120 square millimeters. Next, we're going to find the perimeter and area of a trapezoid. For the perimeter of a trapezoid, P equals A plus B plus C plus D, where A, B, C, and D are side lengths. Our side lengths for this trapezoid are 16, 9, 10, and 9. We will not use the 8 because that is not a side length. So P equals 10 plus 16 plus 9 plus 9. And when we add those up, we're going to get 44. So our perimeter is equal to 44 feet. The formula for the area of a trapezoid is the area equals 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases. B1 and B2 represent each base, and the H represents the height. For this problem, our two bases are 16 and 10, and our height would be 8. So we're going to have that the area equals 1/2 times 8 times the quantity 10 plus 16. So our area is going to equal 1/2 times 8 times 26. And 1/2 times 8 is 4. And 4 times 26 would be 104. So our area is equal to 104 square feet. Now we're going to find the circumference and area of a circle. The circumference is the perimeter of the circle. So our formula for circumference is C equals pi d. You can also say that C equals 2 pi r. That is another formula for the circumference of a circle. For this problem, we're going to use pi d. Pi is equal to 3.14, and d stands for the diameter. In our problem, we have the radius. The radius is 6 millimeters. To find the diameter, we would multiply that by 2 because the diameter would go all the way across our circle. So our diameter is going to be 12. Now if we multiply 3.14 times 12, we're going to get 37.68, or 37 and 68/100ths. So our circumference is 37 and 68/100ths millimeters. For our area of a circle, our formula is A equals pi r squared. Pi again would be 3.14, and r stands for the radius. The radius of this circle is 6. So A would equal 3.14 times 6 squared, and 6 squared is 36. So our area is equal to 3.14 times 36, and that would equal 113.04, or 113 400ths. So our area is equal to 113 400ths square millimeters.